Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing to make this earring are a head pin, an earring hook, beads of your choice. The tool I'll be using today is a round nose plier. So let's get started onto making this earring. First, we're going to be taking our head pin and putting our beads that we're going to be using, or you're using. Now we're just going to bend it to the side so we can make our loop. We are going to take our round nose pliers and start making that loop. And bend it the opposite way. Before you fully close it, we're going to leave an open space to add the earring hook. There you go. And we're just going to close it back up. And there you have your earrings. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button down below. Comment if you have any suggestions on videos we could do on this channel, and subscribe to watch more videos like this based on jewelry or crafts. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!